Hello, this is Joan of Art. Let's talk about Ilonggo accent. You know, when speaking Ilonggo, accent is key. So, how do you speak Ilonggo conversationally and more convincingly? Then, say it with an accent. The accent is like, they say it's like a bird. It's like we're singing. So it goes up and down and up and down and up and down. And then let's discuss a few expressions commonly present in the Ilonggo dialect. You would hear a lot of this word, te. Te is said in a lot of ways and could mean a lot of things. So let's try. Te. So. Ti. So. Ti. And the vowels doesn't matter. You could use ti or the e vowel or the e vowel, te. They all mean the same. Some people say ti, some people say te. Te ano? So what? Ti ano? So what? Te. Ti. Ti. Then, ti. And then. Te. Te. Ti. Te. So, te. So, let's move on. Next would be none. None. There. None. That's it. None. None. That's it. None. None. There. None. There you have it. None. Oh, you get what you deserve. None. Gali? Really? Is that so? Gali? Gale? Gali. Kay gali. It turns out. Gali ka? Is that so? Gali. Is that so? Ay gali. Oh, so that's what it is. Ay gali. Gali ka? Is that so? Is it true? Ay gali? Really? Bala. Bala. In Tagalog, they also use it, but shortened to ba. Like, di ba? That's, in Ilonggo, it's, hindi bala? Bala? I think so. Yeah. Bala? Hindi bala. Just no. Ba. Sometimes it's shortened to ba. Really? Ba. Really? Ba? Really? Tud bala? Bala? Could be. I think so. Bala? I think so. So let's just trim it to just 4 basic Ilonggo expressions that you'd hear every now and then. Ti, none, gali, bala. Ti, bye for now. This is Joan of Art. And here are some hearts. I love you all and spread the word. Let's use Ilonggo. Nan gaulan na. Gali? O bala?